Today on this episode of DevKit Weekly, I am talking to you about the LoRISC NAE-SONATA-ONE. Engineers, developers, and friends, welcome to DevKit Weekly. I am Ken Briota, your editor-in-chief of Embedded Computing Design and your host. And I am here in this very special episode from Embedded World 2025 in the Dev Zone, the new area here at our Embedded Computing Design booth where we feature some of our favorite development boards, development kits, and products in the entire embedded industry. Today on this episode of DevKit Weekly, I am talking to you about the LoRISC NAE-SONATA-ONE, a truly interesting dev kit that you need to be checking out. All the details are down in the description, but what you need to know is that Sonata encapsulates RISC-V memory integrity using CHERI in a simple form factor for both engineers and educators. It's truly exciting and truly interesting, and I hope you check it out. While you're doing that, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you don't miss any of our programs here on YouTube or on LinkedIn, where you should follow us also, including the In Case You Missed It Embedded Insights weekly newsletter. I hope you subscribe to that. Make sure you visit embeddedcomputing.com for all the news that you need in the embedded industry. You've been marvelous. I've been Ken Briota, your host and your embedder-in-chief, and this has been DevKit Weekly. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time.